What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Appreciate you coming through, always showing me love, showing me support. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos. You dig? We get it down here. Freestyle cooking, creative recipes, getting it in, having fun, letting it go. Let's do it, man. Come through. Now today, y'all, we doing another fish recipe. My man Derek came through once again. He's the one who gave me the big eye tuna. If you didn't see that video, check it out. Well, now he done bought me up some Wahoo, y'all. And look at this nice, fresh, off the boat, big piece of Wahoo. Oh yeah. We about to get it in, man. Okay? So, we're gonna hook it up real easy, real simple, man. You know, appreciate you, D, for showing me the love. I'm about to do the thing to this fish. Actually, this is my first time making Wahoo. You know what I'm saying? I've had many kinds of different fish, but normally I don't see it when I go into the stores. You know what I mean? So this is my first time sharing it with y'all. We're gonna do the thing to it. Try to make something pop. Maybe do like a mango chutney with it. Real easy. Let's keep it simple and do our thing. You feel me? All right. So if you're looking for Wahoo, I mean, you can always order it online, or if you can find you know, you can request it at your fishmonger. Let them know you're trying to find it. But my man hooked me up, and we about to get it in, y'all. Let's do it. Okay. So first, you want to go ahead and get yourself a mango. All right. We about to do our chutney first. Okay, got me a fresh mango here. Let's cut it. Now when you cut your mango, you don't want to cut it straight down the middle because you run into a seed that's in the mango. So you want to try to cut like kind of like to the side. All right. Do that on the other side. And you want to kind of cut around that seed if you can feel it. Right? See, you can feel the seed. Seeds right here. It's like this hard seed right here. After that, I'll cut it into strips. Like so. Alright, after I got it cut in strips, I'm gonna just go ahead and with my knife, kind of cut it like that, and boom. And once you got your skin off, you want to go ahead and chop it up. I mean, there's a lot of different ways you can cut up a mango, but that's real simple like that. You could also peel the skin too. Okay, so like I said again, I'll go up in here, kind of like how when you taking skin off fish. Got the skin off. Go ahead and chop it up. After I got my mango chops, got it in a bowl, put it to the side. Now I also broke out a pepper. I took the seeds, I cut it in half, took the seeds out on one side. I'm gonna keep the seeds in the other side just to add a little bit of extra heat to it. But you could take the seeds all the way out to make it a little bit more milder. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up. After that, I got me a shallot here. About to cut this up also. Next, you want to take a couple of garlic cloves, roughly chop these up. And this recipe, you know, depending on how much you're making, how much of this mango chutney you're making, you can actually just you know, adjust accordingly. I'm making a small little batch that I'm not jarring or canning up, so we're just making this for a nice piece that I got from my friend. Okay, now I'm gonna break out my pot. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon of olive oil, just a little bit, not a lot. Put my pan on a medium high. So I want to go ahead and drop my green pepper, shallots, and garlic in the pot. And just kind of get us a quick stir for about 1 minute. So I got it kind of finely chopped up. You don't want to burn the garlic. You just want to release a little bit of the aroma and the flavor going on. About 1 minute. Stir that in. I'm going to also add some sriracha. And also some honey. After I add my honey, we're going to add some fresh lime juice. Then, after my lime juice, I add a little bit of water. Not a lot, just a little bit. Alright. And you want to cook that till it starts to reduce a little bit. Alright. Smelling good. After a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh cilantro. Get that incorporated. Alright, here we go. Got my mango chutney up a bowl, and you'll see a lot of different recipes if you look up different chutney recipes. This is just a real quick mango chutney, little sweet, little spicy. You know what I'm saying? That's really gonna pair well with our fish. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let it chill while we prepare our Wahoo. Let's do it. Alright, so now I did both sides. Swiping up all the extra off the plate to make sure all sides are coated. Alright. And just salt and pepper, y'all. You know what I mean? Let's keep it simple because the chutney is going to give us the extra power boost of flavor. And mind you, you know, with the chutney, you can eat that with any kind of protein like chicken, you know, fish, steak. I mean, you can really go hard with it, in my opinion. But like I said, there's a whole lot of different chutney recipes, so you know, feel free to experiment and create your own. Okay, as you can see, I got my pan real hot, cast iron, definitely built for searing. Got it nice and smoky. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 pieces of my Wahoo at a time. And I'm gonna sear each side about 5 minutes on each side, and that's depending on how thick it is. If it's real thick, like before I cut it down into chunks, I might have cooked it for 6 minutes on each side. But I'm gonna do with these sides, I'm gonna do about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. There we go, straight from the cast iron to the pan. Look at that. Ready to go, y'all. Alright. So we're gonna pull our chutney out the fridge. Get our plates out. Get this thing plated on up, y'all. Real easy. That's what I'm talking about. Let's do it. And there we go. Plated on up, man. That's what I'm talking about. You see how I did it, D? Hooked him up. Got the Wahoo. Definitely smelling good. Do some asparagus up there. Just to, you know, add a little something to the plate. Got the mango chutney, street style. You feel me? Oh yeah, man. Y'all got to try this out, man. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man. Stay up to date with the latest recipes, man. Comment, holla at me, try it, let me know what y'all think. And y'all already know, man. Look at this. Oh yeah. Holla.